Today, I am going to present my topic Introduction to Organizational Behavior. In this presentation, we will understand what organizational behavior is, its characteristics, levels of analysis, and some important management theories. What is an organization? An organization is a group of people who work together to achieve common goals. It provides a structured environment where individuals cooperate and perform different tasks to accomplish organizational objectives. Defining organizational behavior or OB is the study of how people behave in the workplace. It helps us understand individual and group behavior so that organizations can improve productivity and employee satisfaction. Four important characteristics. Organizational behavior has four main characteristics. It follows a scientific approach, studies behavior at different levels, is interdisciplinary, and aims to improve both employee well-being and organizational effectiveness. Three levels of analysis. There are three levels of organizational behavior. The first is the individual level, which focuses on a person's attitude and motivation. The second is the group level, which studies teamwork and communication. The third is the organizational level, which focuses on the overall structure and culture of the organization. Next is Applied Behavior Analysis, ABC model. The ABC model explains behavior in three parts. A stands for effect, which means feelings. B stands for behavior, which means actions. C stands for cognition, which means thoughts or thinking. Then we have management philosophies, theory X versus theory Y. This slide explains two management philosophies. Theory X assumes that employees avoid work and need close supervision. Theory Y believes that employees are self-motivated, responsible, and perform well when given the right opportunities. Thank you everyone for listening to my presentation. I hope you found it informative. If you have any questions, I will be happy to answer them.